Jason is not at work today.
This glass is working. I'm not at work, but this glass is working.
No, you're not working. No. No, we're working on your 2JZ.
I'm not driving it huge.
So I just gave him a rev limit of 4,000 RPM. I gave him a speed limit of 120 kilometers per hour. And I've got the laptop, and he's going to try the cruise control. Okay, you good to go? So you turn it on at the end. Yep. It didn't turn on. Yep, it's on.
Yep.
Now push set, which is... Yep.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
My foot's still on the accelerator.
And we're cruising at 80 k's an hour?
Yep.
Okay, can you just cancel that?
Okay, just put on the brake, so that should...
No, it came back. Yep, no, that's... Are you driving it now?
Oh, I'm not touching the throttle.
Yep, okay. So you're driving at the moment?
Yep.
Cool. So far, so good. So far, we haven't crashed, and we're in a high crash zone.
Yep.
With the cones. We're not gonna crash, eh?
Yeah.
That's good. Okay. We're going to stop at the cafe, or would you like to go to T-Rail?
I'm going to town.
We'll go to T-Rail? Go to Subway?
Subway.
Subway.
Oh, yeah.
We'll go to Subway. I did have to bribe him, and food was today's bribe. You do realise, as I just talked to Aaron,
Yeah.
and that you have to test drive this all next week.
Oh, no.
Okay?
No. Oh,
You
no.
do actually have to give it back to Aaron at the end of that week.
Fine.
So now you can actually cruise.
Now.
You're going to drop it off, and then you're going to push reset.
I was going to try and increase the speed, but wait for it straight. Push up.
It's at 94. Yep. 96. That is working. What was that?
That was only reserve.
Resume?
Resume.
Oh, okay.
Hang on.
Oh, so you drop the speed and then you hit resume?
Yep.
So I'm accelerating at 4 kilometers per hour per second. I can reduce the acceleration speed.
That's quite brutal.
You want me to drop that back?
Hang on, we'll just slow down. Cancel.
You're at 88, 87, 86, yep. Do you want me to halve that?
Yeah, just that initial hit, it might freak people out.
Roger.
Especially if it's like a lower gear.
Roger that. I can change it. We can change all this. Did you say that when you were driving it during the week that you thought it needed cruise control and a taller diff?
Yeah.
I'm going to halve that, so I'm going to 2 kilometers per hour. So that's 2 kilometers now. I'll take that speed cut off, eh? Because I think Aaron would be upset if we left a speed cut on it.
Well, we're doing 100. I'm doing 100 k's at speed, eh?
Yes. I don't think it holds downhill so well, eh?
Holding 100k.
Is it?
Yep.
It's actually holding it even downhill, because that's quite a steep downhill.
Yeah, feels quite weird.
Awesome. So I'll take the rev cut out, the safety rev cut. Well, we'll see what it does when it goes back up that hill. See if it actually holds that hill. So look, Aaron's Utes come in for its first service. We gave it a check over. Jace did something. Aircon pump. One of the bolts was a bit funny on the aircon pump, so we made an adjustment. Sorted that. We were unhappy with the way the aircon was clicking in and out, so we sorted that. And I played with the throttle a little bit, and now we've got some cruise control happening. So that's really awesome. Hasn't been too much to do. Jason's going to be cruising home, test driving it back and forth. He's got about an hour's drive each day, each way. So it'll get a few test drives, and he will be testing out that cruise control to check it doesn't do anything silly. And we'll report in at the end of the week to see if he likes it. 2 kilometres per hour per second. That was still adequate, eh?
Nice.
That was better, eh?
That was quite nice.
Yeah, I think so. Awesome. And you can let me know how the aircon goes. It's all good. We got got cruise control. You like that?
Yeah.
Woo!
Too flash.
Too flash. A couple of tips for guys setting up cruise control. And we did attempt to set it up on the dyno, but we did some testing. That was reasonably successful. On the hoist with no load, that was not successful. I don't recommend that.
Yep.
No, that was not good, eh? No.
Definitely not.
But what we did for numbers to start us off is we just rated a 350Z base map, cruise control numbers. The 350 auto base map, and those numbers are the ones we're running on. We just reduced the acceleration speed. Are you on cruise at the moment? Up this big hill?
Yep.
Look at that. Check that out. Is it sitting within 2 Ks of our desired RPM? Desired speed? Well, you don't know what the desired speed is because I don't have the laptop attached. But it's close enough. And it did it good? Well done. Yeah. Cool on truck. Check the truck out. Check that thing.
Hello.
That's cool, isn't it? Chase is on the cruise control again. Push the button. You'll have to test drive it during the week. See what it's like. Look at that. That's a successful day. I'm calling that a successful day. We have cruise control. One of the things that Aaron really wanted, and it wasn't too hard to set up really, and it cost me a subway taking Jason to town. Well done.